Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform everyday living, especially for seniors, individuals with disabilities, or anyone dealing with mobility challenges: assistive cleaning gadgets. Keeping your home clean and comfortable shouldn't feel like a burden. With the right tools, cleaning can be easier, more efficient, and even empowering. In this video, we'll explore some innovative solutions designed to reduce physical strain and promote independence. Whether you're looking to simplify daily chores or help a loved one stay on top of their cleaning routine, this guide is for you. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's make cleaning smarter, not harder. Product number 1, Electric Spin Scrubber. First up, we have the Electric Spin Scrubber, a cordless powerhouse, perfect for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. This scrubber takes the effort out of tough cleaning jobs. Thanks to its strong motor and 11 interchangeable brush heads that can handle everything from tiles to tubs. Its long, extendable handle means no more bending or stretching, and the cordless design offers total freedom of movement. Ergonomically designed for comfort and ease, it's a practical and effective tool for maintaining a sparkling clean home without the physical strain. Product number 2, Leixen Steam Mop Cleaner. Leixen Steam Mop Cleaner, a lightweight, easy-to-use cleaning solution that's gentle on the body but tough on dirt. Designed with mobility and ease in mind, this steam mop eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, making it a healthier choice for both the user and the environment. It features a removable water tank, an 18-foot power cord for extended reach, and machine-washable dirt grip pads for simple upkeep. Its compact size and upright locking design also make it easy to store, making this an ideal option for cleaning sealed hard floors like tile, vinyl, laminate, and hardwood. Product number 3, X-Protector Felt Furniture Sliders. X-Protector Felt Furniture Sliders Set. These sliders are a game changer for anyone who struggles with moving heavy furniture during cleaning. They allow you to glide furniture effortlessly across hard surfaces like wood, tile, and laminate without scratching the floors. Not only do they help reduce physical effort, but they also make it easier to clean under and around bulky items. They're easy to install, reusable, and a low-cost way to make cleaning more accessible and less strenuous. Product number 4, Anbury Bathroom Automatic Trash. Anbury Bathroom Automatic Trash can a sleek and functional option with automatic touchless operation. Perfect for seniors or individuals with limited mobility, this trash can reduces the need to manually open lids, which is especially helpful for those with limited dexterity or joint pain. The hands-free sensor helps minimize the spread of germs, making daily waste disposal more hygienic and effortless. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably in bathrooms, bedrooms, or even small. Product number 5, Wet Mops with 5X Washable. Wet Mops with 5X Washable, an ideal tool for safe, strain-free floor cleaning. Thanks to its lightweight build and 360-degree rotating head, this mop effortlessly glides around furniture and into tight corners. No bending, no heavy lifting. The built-in spray system lets users clean without the need for a bulky bucket. Just pull the trigger and go. It also includes 4 reusable microfiber pads, making it an eco-friendly and budget-conscious option. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the sturdy construction adds durability, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to clean smarter, not harder. Product number 6, Handheld Vacuum Cordless. Handheld Vacuum Cordless, a compact yet powerful cleaning companion. Weighing in at just 1.44 pounds, it's incredibly easy to handle, especially for those with mobility limitations. Despite its size, it boasts a brushless motor with 15,000 pascal suction, perfect for lifting dust, crumbs, and even pet hair from furniture, floors, or tight corners. Its cordless design and built-in LED light offer complete freedom and visibility, allowing users to clean under furniture or in low-light areas with ease. Reusable HEPA filters and multiple attachments, including a crevice nozzle and extension tube, make it versatile and hygienic, all with a simple one-click emptying system for hassle-free maintenance. Product number 7, RMS 2-Pack 34-inch extra long grabber tool. Rounding out our list at number 7 is the RMS 2-Pack 34-inch extra-long grabber tool, a must-have for safe and strain-free reach. With a 34-inch extended arm, it allows users to grab items from high shelves or low floors without bending or stretching. The wide jaw features 96 gripping points, ensuring a secure hold on everything from bottles to remote controls. It even includes a built-in magnet for retrieving small metal items like coins or keys. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it easy to store and carry, while the durable steel cable mechanism provides strength and reliability. Whether you're tidying up or just need help reaching everyday items, this tool promotes independence and ease of movement. Product number 8. Yeti C12 Plus Robot Vacuum. Yeti C12 Plus Robot Vacuum, a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution that offers hands-free convenience. With 6,000 PA suction power and advanced LAR navigation, this smart device effortlessly tackles pet hair, dust, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Its dual vacuum and mop functionality simplifies home maintenance, reducing the need for manual cleaning. The 200-minute runtime and auto-recharging feature mean it takes care of the entire home while you relax. With Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility, users can schedule or start cleanings with voice commands or a tap on their phone, making this gadget a high-tech tool for easy, independent living. Product number 9. Libman Tornado Spin Mop. Coming in at number 9 is the Libman Tornado Spin Mop, a smart, user-friendly floor cleaning system. Its foot pedal spin ringer eliminates manual twisting and squeezing, helping reduce physical effort. The triangular mop head rotates 360 degrees for maximum reach in corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. With just water, it removes over 99% of bacteria, making it safe, chemical-free, and ideal for all hard floor types. The telescoping handle extends up to 48 inches for comfortable use without bending, and the machine-washable mop head supports an eco-friendly routine. Product number 10. Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner. At number 10, we have the Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner, an essential tool for tackling hard-to-reach areas. With its adjustable 60-inch handle, users can dust behind appliances, under couches, or on top of shelves without bending or straining. The microfiber cloths attract dust, hair, and lint while being washable and reusable, keeping things clean and green. Its slim profile slides into narrow gaps effortlessly, and the lightweight build with an ergonomic grip makes it easy to handle. This duster is a simple but effective way to promote independent cleaning without the hassle. Product number 11. Electric Spin Scrubber. Electric Spin Scrubber, a cordless powerhouse for deep cleaning without the strain. Powered by a 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this scrubber offers freedom of movement and powerful cleaning action, with dual speed settings for different surfaces. Its 8 interchangeable brush heads make it perfect for tackling bathtubs, tiles, sinks, and floors. The ergonomic design and lightweight build reduce physical effort, while the spin technology does the hard scrubbing for you. It's a reliable tool for keeping your space spotless, without kneeling, bending, or overexerting yourself. Product number 12. Electric Spray Bottle Plant. Electric Spray Bottle Plant, a convenient gadget for cleaning, gardening, and more. This battery-powered automatic spray bottle eliminates the need for manual pumping. Just press a button for a consistent, controlled spray. Its adjustable nozzle allows for fine misting or targeted streams, ideal for watering plants, applying cleaning solutions, or misting surfaces. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to hold and operate, especially for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. Simple, safe, and smart, this spray bottle is a great tool for indoor and outdoor use. Product number 13. EAG Mac 3. Tier Utility. Rolling Cart EAG Mac 3. Tier Utility Rolling Cart, a mobile organizer that adds convenience to cleaning and everyday life. With 3 tiers of storage, it's perfect for keeping cleaning supplies, toiletries, or personal essentials within easy reach. Its slim design and rolling wheels allow it to glide through tight spaces in bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. No more bending or reaching for items. Just roll it where you need it. The durable yet lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, keeping your space tidy while promoting independence and efficiency. Product number 14. SWOPT Garage Kit. SWOPT Garage Kit, a modern twist on a classic cleaning tool. Weighing only 0.7 pounds, it's ultra lightweight and easy to use. The quad-blade silicone edge grabs everything from fine dust and hair to spilled liquids and even broken glass, making it far more effective than traditional brooms. The telescopic handle, 36 to 55 inches, adjusts to your preferred height, reducing strain while reaching under furniture or cleaning high surfaces. It works on all kinds of floors, including carpets and hard surfaces, and can even clean windows and countertops. Plus, it's washable and reusable, making it both eco-friendly and low maintenance. Product number 15. Lear Rear Bidet. Attachment for toilet. Lear Rear Bidet attachment for toilet. A smart and hygienic bathroom upgrade designed with accessibility in mind. This non-electric bidet attachment connects easily to standard toilet seats using the existing water supply. No extra plumbing or electricity needed. Its self-cleaning nozzle and adjustable water pressure offer a gentle and effective cleansing experience, reducing the need for twisting, bending, or reaching. For seniors or individuals with mobility challenges, it promotes personal independence and bathroom safety, while helping reduce irritation and the risk of infections associated with excessive toilet paper use. Compact, easy to install, and affordable, simple yet powerful tool for supporting dignity, hygiene, and self-care in the bathroom. Product number 16. 4-in-1 Tile Tub Scrubber Brush. 4-in-1 Tile Tub Scrubber Brush, a versatile tool for stress-free bathroom cleaning. Its telescoping handle, adjustable from 37.4 to 50.7 inches, allows users to reach floors, walls, and corners without bending or overstretching. With a 180-degree rotating head, it easily adapts to various angles, making it perfect for cleaning tubs, tiles, and shower areas. Whether you're dealing with limited mobility, balance issues, or joint pain, this tool provides comfortable, effective cleaning with minimal physical effort. Its interchangeable heads offer flexibility for different surfaces, making this scrubber a must-have for maintaining hygiene without strain. Product number 17. Disposable Toilet Brush Cleaning. Disposable Toilet Brush Cleaning, a cleaner, safer solution for toilet maintenance. This set includes a comfortable, ergonomic wand and 15 disposable cleaning refills, eliminating the need to scrub with traditional brushes that can harbor germs. Once you're done, simply discard the used head. No mess, no stress. The wall-mounted holder keeps everything neat and within easy reach, promoting organization and ease of access. Ideal for users with mobility limitations or those who prefer a touch-free cleaning experience. This set makes maintaining a sanitary bathroom simpler and more accessible.